And here's step by step, I will show you how to backup and restore your WordPress website. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard and now go to add new plugin page. In search plugins box, type here Updraft and search for it. And here you will find this plugin UpdraftPlus WP backup and migration plugin. So install and activate this plugin, and this is a very popular free plugin to backup our WordPress website manually and automatically. Once the plugin successfully activated, in this left-hand menu, here you'll find UpdraftPlus. Click on that and you directly jump into the plugin dashboard. Here select backup and restore. And now to backup your entire WordPress website, click on backup now. And here take a new backup, include your database in the backup. Check this option to backup your WordPress website with your WordPress website database and database user. And also check this option, include your files in the backup. And also check this option, only allow this backup to be deleted manually. And then click on backup now. And here it may take some minutes or hours to completely backup your entire WordPress website. It depends on your internet speed and on your WordPress website file size. And here you can see my backup is finished. And now whenever you want to find or see your website backup files, just go to UpdraftPlus dashboard, and here under backup you will see this backup. So here's my backup file, and now I'm going to deleting my WordPress website and going to my page section. And for example, let's delete my home page. Once my home page deleted, I'm going to reloading my WordPress website and let's see what happened. So here we can see my entire home page successfully deleted. And in case if you accidentally deleted your WordPress website or your database, and in case your WordPress website is not working, now let's see how to restore your WordPress website from backup. So log into your WordPress admin dashboard and go to UpdraftPlus dashboard, and here select backup and restore. And here you'll find your available backups. All you have to need to restore any backup, click on restore. And here check all of these options and click on next. And here click on restore. And after a few minutes or few seconds, your entire WordPress website will be restored from the backup file. Once restored successfully, let's reload our WordPress website again. And here, as you can see, I've successfully restored my entire WordPress website from the backup file. And now, in order to backup your website automatically, here's how to do it. Again, go to UpdraftPlus dashboard, and here go to Settings tab. And here we can see automatically backup section, files backup schedule. Select here and you can select every 2 hours, daily backup, weekly. And here, for example, I want to backup my WordPress website automatically every 12 hours. So here I'm selecting 12 hours, and retain these many schedule backups. I'm selecting here too. Database backup schedule, I'm selecting every 12 hours, selecting here too. So every 12 hours, my WordPress website and my database will be automatically backup. And now choose your remote storage for your backup file. You can select any option from here, and the best option is selecting the Google Drive option. So selecting Google Drive, and here click on sign in with Google, leave, and all you have to log into your Google account, in which Google Drive you want to store all of your website backup file. Once you successfully add it, click on return to sites, go to settings again, and here include in files backup. Make sure to check all of these options, and must use plugins, any other directions found inside WP content. So select all of this option, or you can leave as it is and click on save changes, and that's it. You have successfully enabled automatic backup for your WordPress website. Thanks for watching.